Hello my dear students, how are y'all? I hope you are enjoying the classes and today we are going to begin a new concept in which we are going to learn many interesting things and we are going to enjoy the concepts, worksheets and all. Okay, so would you like to introduce the topic name? No, generally I don't like to introduce the topic name in the beginning itself, but after watching the videos, after watching some part of the video, you will come to know which chapter I am going to discuss with you. Okay, but let me tell you how to use the YouTube platform for this chapter. Okay, so for example, if we are studying the chapter laws of motion, for example, if we are studying the laws of motion, how to watch this and how to use our book along with the video, we have to see now. See, for example, if you are looking the laws of motion chapter, here this is the playlist. Here these are the videos in a proper organized manner. All the videos are here. These videos include synopsis and worksheets discussions in detail. Okay, so let us see how it is related with our material. Please open the material once. I hope you have this kind of book, right? So open the laws of motion in this book like this page. I will tell you how this book is related with our videos. See, this is the index page of our book. This is chapter laws of motion. Here you can see the concept 1 and laws of Newton's first law of motion under the heading 1. So for this one concept 1 and laws of motion, I taught about 4 lectures, which is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.3 again. So if you can see these 3 videos, the concept 1 will be covered. So here it is 1, here it is 1.1, 1.2, something like that. Next, after watching that, you have to read the synopsis from the book. Then go to the next chapter, that is linear momentum. Here it is under second topic. So here you can find 2 here. So if you can see 2 here, it is related to linear momentum. The linear momentum video will be played here. You can see the video related to linear momentum. Next, if you go to the third sub-concept, that is Newton's second law, here you can see 3 Newton's second law. Okay. Next, fourth one is impulsive force. Here you can see fourth one is impulsive force. So in this way, you can find all the videos here. And if you want to find the problems, let us see. Where are the worksheet? Worksheet under fifth sub-concept, Newton's third law, worksheet 1 means based on all these concepts, we have one worksheet, that is worksheet 1. Here you can see the worksheet here 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5. The worksheet is divided into 5 sub topics and these are the worksheets. Here you can see the worksheet. See, this is how the question is displayed here and I am going to explain the question. So you can see the question and the related explanation on the same spot, and this is how we are going to continue our classes. I hope you will follow the lectures and you are going to enjoy. If you have any doubt, you are always welcome. You can comment and I will read the comment and I will give you the answer. If it is required, I will make a video and I will send it to you. For my notifications, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Okay, thank you all. Let us enjoy the lectures. See you in the class.